Hi everyone, welcome to watch our distributed systems final project presentation. It is a distributed social network application called X-Social. First, let me ask you guys a question. Each time when using a social media, have you ever worried about your data security? Definitely, right? As we know, most mainstream software are still implemented in the traditional server client mode, but that is not what we want. The server client mode means that all data will be stored on the central server for management, which makes customers highly dependent on the centralized server. It leads to our worries about data privacy. We all do not want anyone to know what we are talking about, right? No matter it's just chatting or a group meeting, whatever, anything is our own business. So we need a decentralized P2P social network application. Nowadays, there are a lot of current P2P software in the market, like BitTorrent, LimeWare, Ars and Ars World, but most of them were designed for business work. Only few, like Telegram, is similar as our product Xsocial, which is to create a platform for people to chat secretly, not to be monitored by anyone. And our product Xsocial could address all our worries about data security and privacy. It is a P2P social network web application that build connection directly among peers. We just provide a bridge for customers, and all your data are yours. As a distributed social application, Xsocial could provide many functions. We can just use an ID to join a chatting room, get all the previous messages, send a post to everyone, or you can just disconnect and quit the room. Importantly, again, we highly respect our customers' privacy. All messages and group members are stored on your local machine. More importantly, it is anonymous, which means customers' information are 100% protected. They don't have to show their faces or profiles, and all they need to do just to use Xsocial and express themselves. Now it's time to explore what exactly Xsocial is. I'm here to show you how to use our product Xsocial. Here, we need to input xsocial.pages.dev.init, which is the prefix of the initiator. So every time we get this URL, the system will automatically give us a unique ID. We can use this group ID to join the room. Okay, I can just copy it, connect to the room, paste it, connect to the room, paste it, connect to the room. So here I'm gonna introduce the format of our web to you. Here is the input box that every time you can just input the group ID, and here is a message box that you can tap whatever you wanna say to others here, and once you click this button, the message will be posted. Okay, firstly I'm gonna try something like welcome to X Social. You can text whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna post this one. We can see that all other peers have received the post. This is the sender ID. This is the time that the sender sends this message, and this is the test of the post. Also, we should notice that the online peers shows two. It means that we have two peers now and also one initiator, which is the leader. So there are total three clients right now. Okay, let's try this one. This is a client peer. Oh, I'm so glad to join you guys. I have heard it is a super secure app. Oh, okay, post. Yeah. Okay, the third one will say yes, because it is P2P connected. No one will know our data. Well, we can see that every client, every user can receive the message that posted by others. And we can see the Snapchat here. Once we click the snapshot, the system will save a copy of the current snapshot, and we can say it's gonna say the details of the snapshot. Here we can see that the snapshot recorded every detail of the current. It can say all the users' information, their ID, and all the posts, like the post ID, the sender ID, the type of the post, and the time when it was posted. So this is a snapshot at this time. Okay. Now, the leader of the group room is an initiator. So I would like to try to change a leader. So every time we disconnect the leader, the system will automatically run the leader election algorithm based on the Boolean election. Yeah. So I have already clicked that, and now I would like to get a new peers here. I'm gonna copy the group ID to join the room. And we can open the console to say, here, the message has been posted. This one is a new leader. We can say that when the old leader exits, the system will automatically elect a new leader for us. And also, this is a new joined peer, do you remember? And you can say that, wow, it can list all the history posts automatically. So this is because we have used the resource discovery algorithm. And we can open the console to say, get a snapshot. Okay. This time we have a new snapshot. We can say that wow, let this one say something. QQQ. Get a snapshot. Okay, here. We can see all the posts, right? So, as you can say, every time when the user posts every messages to others through our gossip and broadcast algorithms, other clients will receive all the posts. And you can see the leader election and the resource discovery algorithm, right? Okay, that is how the X Social works, and you can just use this URL to have a try. Enjoy it! Based on the amazing React.js framework, we could easily build the architecture and implement the communication between front-end and the back-end. Also, the React will help us capture other interactions. In a nutshell, the overall architecture could be concluded into four main functions. First, use group edit to join a chatting room. And second, new joined peers could request all history posts. Third, peers could send posts to all other members in the room. And fourth, each peer could disconnect in the group and just exit at any time. Those features make Xsocial an effective and secure P2P social network application. Okay, here are four core distributed algorithms implemented in our project. They are Gossip, Snapshot, Resource Discovery, and Leader Election. First, it is Gossip algorithm. It is impossible to send messages to all peers in the connection array. That will make the system slow and redundant. We could just use Gossip method to improve the overall efficiency. And secondly, as you have seen in the demo, Xsocial could save all the current information on the local user story, the number of online peers, their history posts, and so on. By doing this, we could guarantee the system's stability and prevent data loss if crashed. Thirdly, it is a resource discovery. It could be observed through that other new joined peer could automatically gather history posts. It is also contributional to our system's stability. And the last one is leader election. The leader of the room is responsible for handling snapshot and the resource discovery. Each time when the current leader exits, we will run our bully election algorithm to elect a new leader to take the responsibility. That is a brief introduction about the four algorithms implemented in our project. And our team will never stop. We would like to work more in the future. Xsocial has great scalability. When we develop it, we created formatted functions and pages to extend its possibility to add more functions. We could just directly write more components on it. In a short-term future, we could support file transformation function, group video chat, one-to-one private chat. By adding more features, we could make Xsocial more competitive in the current market. Okay, let's make a conclusion about today's presentation. All in all, Xsocial is a P2P social network application that only builds connections and stores data among peers. It provides a platform that everyone could express their opinions safely. And through implementing distributed algorithms, Xsocial is scalable, transparent, and open to users. Okay, what are you guys waiting for? Just click this link for a try about our product. And if you need more detailed information or instructions, you can read our README file. Okay, see you there. Bye bye.